What is going on, guys? So today is the next day, part 2 of Colin's Jeep. It is a little bit chilly, so we got the heater going. Colin's starting to grind. He's prepping the new frame to be welded. So Colin, what did you just make?
Factory, there's this piece right here that this piece of frame doesn't have, so I'm making a new one. Because that's part of what holds up the gas tank, so.
Alright.
Just gotta trim it down to fit nice.
Looking good so far.
Oh man, that's like
butter?
That's like a glove.
There you go. Fits right in.
So tight.
So Colin is going to start welding in that beam that he just cut for the structural part for the rear bumper. all that just came out of there, but it's less rotted / rusted than the other one, so
oh, for sure it is.
It's gonna be a good replacement. God damn it, Colin. Breaker just blew. We just reset it, so...
Don't forget the second part.
Yes, again.
Like a 10-inch block. Crazy.
Jesus, smoker.
It's bad for you.
So Colin will be cutting his frame right there to match up with this frame. Alright, so what happened?
So, there's 4 body mounts you have to take off.
Yeah.
For the amount of frame I'm cutting off. And the only bolt that came loose was holding up this centerpiece up here.
Oh.
It rotted away. Like, it's supposed to be attached to the frame, but no. It just broke away. And it wasn't even that tight either, which was...
Wow.
That's mind-blowing. Like, this one broke right away, the one over there broke right away. This one just came loose real, and it's not even rusted. The bolt's perfect.
Bolt's fine. You reuse it.
I know.
Alright, so where do we stand?
The frame's almost out. At least some of it. I can't really get the angle grinder back here all the way, so it's kind of hard to cut this last bit.
Yeah. There you go.
Where is some of the frame?
Gone.
Dude, it's literally all this is gone too. Where the new piece was.
Yeah.
That's all gone.
Well, good thing you're replacing it. And this piece right here is supposed to be this right here. The bushing came out, and it's very rusty.
See how far it drops.
There you go.
There we go.
So today is Friday and I have work in an hour, so I gotta start getting ready. We're gonna be finishing up for today. Here is the frame. We have this section welded in. Colin has to weld in the shock mounts, that's what they're called?
Yeah.
And then he has to get the body bushings, correct?
Yeah.
And then he did end up getting new leaf springs that are up here. We'll also be putting those in. So I think that's gonna be enough for today, and we'll be back out here on Monday. See you guys. So what do we got going on out here?
Hide the weed.
Oh, nice, Colin. What is up, guys? So today is going to be the second part of the second part on Colin's Jeep.
What's up, bitchy boy, Kevy hair.
I'm kind of talking. Are we going to be welding in the new frame today?
Possibly not.
Oh, great.
No, I ran out of wire.
Oh,
I gotta go get some more.
great. Okay. Well, let's get some work done. So while Colin's Jeep is down, he's driving his dad's Jeep. Same Jeep, just different year. And the ignition doesn't work, so he has to pop start it.
Three.
Ugh.
Come on, boys.
Let's go. Hey! So he had parked right here and tried to roll it down the hill, and it didn't quite work. So we had to pop start it for him. What happened, Colin?
I made a mistake.
You made a mistake. So
Colin, you had
he
one
cut
job.
the
Yeah,
frame
one job,
like
one
this,
job.
and he ended up cutting the new frame like this.
You did the same. Yeah, I know.
So
It's right on that side.
Yeah, but you also.
yeah, that's what
Oh,
happened.
yeah, you fucked up on this side too.
No,
You darn messed
Yeah, you
up,
did.
Colin.
Oh.
Alright, so we got the frame mocked up. We're about to put in the new body mounts, and then it should hold itself up, and then Colin will be able to weld in the new frame. So we ended up welding the frame together. Colin laid some pretty fat beads. I don't know if you guys can see them, the light's kind of not good. We welded up both sides. Colin is putting the shackles on right now, and then the leaf springs, and then we should be able to drop the Jeep, and Colin will be able to finish it tomorrow. I am going to Florida, so I will not be here tomorrow, so this will be the end of the vlog, but we'll film a few more clips. Little update, we got the leaf spring in halfway on this side and halfway on that side. We just have to bolt that one up and the other one, and then we can attach everything and roll it out of here. So Colin got the leaf springs in completely. We're going to roll it out of my garage and put it in the driveway so we can pull my mom's car in here while we go to Florida. He still has to put the gas tank in, the fuel lines, and a little bit more welding. Sucks that it's super dark out, but we got Colin's Jeep out. We're gonna clean up this mess a little bit, and then he's gonna head home for the night, and then that should be it for this vlog. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and like the video if you guys want. Thank you guys for watching.